Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to teach you how to change your Google Drive link name on phone in an easy way and quick way. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's keep it real. You can't actually change the Google Drive link name. The only way to make the link look clean or custom is by using a link shortener. Alright, so first of all, go to your Google Drive app and copy the link of the file you want to share. After that, open your browser and go to the link shortener website, like this website. After that, paste your Google Drive link into the box and you can now edit the name of the link. So let's say video resume application. After that, just confirm it. And now you have got a clean, custom looking link you can share anywhere. So that's it. The only way to change the name of your Google Drive link is by using a link shortener. Thanks for watching and take care.